PayPal Crypto Honest Review. Watch before using. Most people get cryptocurrency wrong. They assume trading and storage are complicated and risky. PayPal Crypto is different. The surprising truth is how easy it makes buying, selling, and holding crypto, and you won't believe how integrated it is with everyday PayPal accounts. Here's how it works. Users can buy Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and Bitcoin Cash directly from PayPal using their balance, linked bank account, or debit card. PayPal also allows crypto sales and transfers within the platform, making it easy to manage holdings. For example, a beginner can purchase $50 of Bitcoin in a few clicks, see real-time price updates, and track their portfolio alongside PayPal transactions. Most people get this wrong. They assume crypto needs a separate wallet or exchange, but PayPal makes it accessible within a familiar interface. Additional features include secure storage, insurance coverage, and recurring purchases. While you can't transfer crypto out to external wallets yet in all regions, PayPal is working to expand features. However, there are considerations. Fees apply for buying, selling, and converting, and crypto prices are volatile. Most people assume PayPal Crypto is risk-free. It's not. Investing responsibly is important. In conclusion, PayPal Crypto is ideal for beginners or casual investors who want a simple, secure way to enter the crypto market. Its convenience, integration, and security make it an easy starting point for crypto adoption. Subscribe now for more honest reviews of fintech and crypto platforms.